the waves break, it's when where it's shallow. So this part looks like we got a rip current going on right here. Let's try right here. We can always move. All right, got my fish bites. I saw this trick on Bama Beach Bum on his latest video. They cut the fish bite kind of at an angle like this, kind of give it a little tail, kind of give it more action. So I'm gonna try that out, see how well it works. All I do is cut in rectangles and cut the rectangles in half diagonally, like that. I'll put one in each hook. This is sand flea right here. I'll put these on each hook with also with some pure shrimp. Bonnet? Yeah, get it. You got it. You got him. I'm over here making a leader. One of the rods just went off. Probably a whiting. See what she got. You got fish diving back there too.
Yeah, I see it. There it is.
Look like, huh? You got a little pompano, looks like. Look at that. First pop, isn't it? First pomp of the year, guys. Look this, check this out. My wife caught the very first pompano. He probably ain't legal to keep. He's a little too small. They gotta be, I think, 11 inches to the fork. Look at this pomp, guys. Wanna get that camera out? Congratulations, baby. Alright, guys. First pomp of the year. Get this in. Look at this beautiful fish. He's a little too small. My wife caught him, so look at this beautiful yellowtail, guys. He's a little too small to keep, so we're gonna let him go. It's a good start of the pompano season so far. So we're gonna get a good release on him. We'll let this little guy go. There we go. Good job, baby. That's got a bunch. That's got slat. A bunch of slat. Yeah, get the big camera. It's a good fish.
It's a big fish?
Yeah. You got a good fish on, guys. Not sure how big he is. He got some weight to him though. Running right towards the beach. Baby, come close. He's right here on the beach. Look out, we got a drum. Now we got a shark. A bonnet head.
No freaking way.
Yep, we got a little bonnet head. We snagged him. These things supposed to be really good to eat too. Look, he got all my line tangled up. Dang, I hope I don't have to make another leader. That sucks. Snagged him right in the fin. Little bonnet head. Look at this thing. Now these things are supposed to be really good to eat. So I might even try this guy out. I'm gonna go look up the regulations real quick and see what we can do about this. Alright guys. Well, these guys are pretty good to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleed them and cook them and see if we can do a taste test of bonnet head. guys, I'm just gonna do a little recap because I accidentally recorded this in a high frame rate, which made it real slow motion. But all I did was take the bonnet head and I put it in some marinade, which is this teriyaki marinade. Just gonna let this sit in here overnight, and then we'll prep the grill tomorrow afternoon. Put these bad boys on the grill. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow. What's going on, guys? I just got off work. I got my shark meat right here. I'm gonna take it out of the marinade and get ready to cook this bad boy. Let's see how good it tastes. Look at this fish. Look like it marinated pretty well. Started soaking up the flavor already. Sucking up all them juices. And we'll put these in the iron skillet. I got it on high right now to get it nice and hot. If you guys ever cooked with the iron skillet before, you know it's gotta be pretty hot. Let's put a little bit of olive oil in it. Wait till it gets a little bit hotter. I'm gonna put these bad boys on. I'm excited to try these fish, guys. I heard nothing but good things about Bonnet head, so I'm really pumped up to try this out. Oh yeah, and I'm drinking a beer too. Nothing like a beer when you get off work, guys. Alright guys, skillet's hot. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys on. Look at that sizzle, boy. Would you just look at that? You just look at it. That smells delicious, by the way. I'm gonna let it cook for, let's say, maybe about a minute and a half on each side. It's very firm fish. Just gonna check it every now and then, you know, with the spatula. Make sure it's done all the way. Let's let this cook. I'm gonna put it on the plate and we'll try this bad boy out, guys. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the taste test. Now I just want to show you. Look how white this meat is in here. See how it looks extremely white. Here it is. Bonnet head taste test. Catch and cook, whatever you want to call it. It's delicious. It doesn't really taste like fish. I think the thing I like the most about this right now is the texture on it. It is so firm and delicious. Dang. I'm gonna try to start keeping these from now on, the bonnet head. They don't have no regulations on them here in Florida. You can keep them any size. I think you only keep 1 per person, 2 per boat. So next time I catch one, definitely gonna keep it. This is delicious. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.